I'll show you where the battery lives, what's in the way, as well as info on the battery size. It's a straightforward battery replacement, but Mahindra added just enough obstacles to keep things interesting. Before working on anything else, it's good practice to disconnect the negative terminal first, and then the positive. On the positive terminal, loosen this clamp nut just enough to pop the terminal off. Now we reach the most physically demanding part of this job. A bracket with 2 nuts. That's it. No hidden bolts, no surprise fasteners, just 2 nuts holding the battery bracket in place. But these extra wires are for an external charger, so they won't be there to frustrate you. Now you have 2 options. Force the battery out at an awkward angle and pretend it was always your plan, or release the tension on this clamp to disconnect the resonance chamber. And just like that, the old battery is free, but try not to knock anything important on the way out. I'll share some info on this battery a bit later, but for now start the installation in the reverse order, so bracket on, positive first and negative last. Therefore the risk of shorting things out stays exactly at 0. If you find these videos helpful, I hope we've earned your subscription by now, but even a like or a super thanks will be appreciated. The battery we used was a 60 amp hour enhanced flooded battery with these dimensions, but I'll post some links in the description for alternative brands. On startup you might notice irregular idling, but a short drive will sort this out as the car relearns idling parameters. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.